Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a very useful Google Chrome extension in terms of SEO, search engine optimization. So if you do want to actually get keyword ideas from Google search engine, this is a very good extension. It's called as Keyword Autocomplete Magic. Simply search for this, the very first extension which comes. This is, as you can see, it will extract from A to Z whatever keyword that you write on Google. First of all, install this. I have already installed it. So the icon appears something like this. So now if I go to Google and I basically type for any keyword right here. Let's suppose I say how to download. So this is my base keyword. I simply written this keyword right here and I enter it. So now automatically this keyword magic will open and it will extract all the suggestions from A to Z related to this base keyword. So as you can see, it is doing its job in the background, actually extracting all the keywords from A to Z. And after that, you can export all the keywords in CSV or Excel file. So this extension I totally love. It's totally free and unlimited. There is no subscription that you need to sign up. And once it completed, you will see almost 260 keywords that it has found. How to download Aadhaar card, how to download Aadhaar card online, how to download Ayushman card. So this is all A related. Now we have B, how to download birth certificate, how to download CapCut, you will see. So we have this button right here, export. You click on export and all the keywords as you see has been downloaded, exported to a CSV file. So these are actually suggestions which are highly searched by people. So first of all, we actually started with A, or keyword starting from A. So this is the actual logic behind this. After that, we come to B, then C, V, D, E, we have F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So in this small period of time, you can actually extract a lot of useful keywords that can rank on Google and you will get a lot of traffic. So I think it's a very good. You can even filter out the keywords as well. So if I write here how to download GitHub, and once again, as you see, it will start to find out keywords. So every keyword that you write here, it will automatically run this extension. So you will see that how to download GitHub apps on Android, iPhone. Then we have B, how to download GitHub branch. So whatever base keyword that you write, it actually automatically extract all the suggestions that appear on Google automatically. So you don't need to manually search for it and waste time. Instead, you can use this extension, which actually does the entire job for you. So you will see that in Windows. So through this extension, through these suggestions, you will get a lot of ideas to actually make blog posts, videos, to actually rank on Google. So you will get to know what people are searching as soon as you write this. The user interface is quite easy. Automatically, this extension in the Python script too. Now again it will start. So you can do this unlimited number of times. There is no limit to it. So this extension is totally free. There is no limit to how many keywords you can perform. So it's limitless. So definitely check out this extension, guys. Specifically good for getting more traffic and ranking for keywords.